Welcome back everybody to another episode. Today we're going out duck hunting. We got about 40 minutes till shooting light. We got all the decoys set out, so I think we're all ready, but now it's pretty much just a waiting game. So yeah, we'll see what we can get for you today. About 10 minutes to shooting light, and we just had something fly right over us. About 10 minutes to shooting light. These birds are probably going to be going pretty early because it's sadly very clear, almost no clouds, so they're gonna be moving a lot right away. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Shoot. All right, behind.
Coming right at you, right at you.
Coming from behind, from the north. Got one. What is that? I have to figure out what this is. It's a nice duck though. Nice little duck. Oh my gosh. You kidding me? That thing swung all the way around. Oh, right here, right here, right here. South?
Straight on from the south, yep. Coming your way.
Yeah, I see him. Well, I think I'll be able to find mine. Alright guys, we found it. Beautiful duck. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Yeah guys, look at this bird. Beautiful green-winged teal. You can see that nice head on him. Absolutely awesome duck. He was a sucker to find. I could not find this thing, but I finally found him. He showed himself. But yeah, awesome duck. So we got 4 down so far. And they're starting to slow down, but there's still a few moving, so maybe we can get one more. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, go.
Okay. There we go. Not sure what the... Oh, there. He ain't gonna go far, I don't think. Oh, there he is. Hey! Sweet. Alright. Good. Well guys, thanks for watching. The wind's a little better now, I know, but we ended up with 6 ducks. We got some nice redheads here. A couple nice teal. This guy's really cool. He's got a nice head and pretty wing. But yeah, overall a really good day. Mixed bag. So yeah,